I've always loved art. I've loved creating. It began with drawing and model making, and later on, painting. Now, as a full-time watercolourist, I'm teaching, creating products, painting commissions. I'm so thrilled to have built this life. But I can't shake off the feeling that I'm not an artist. For me, an artist is someone who, on one hand, interrogates the world around them, sits in uncomfortable moments on a never-ending quest for truth in their work, whilst also being able to put marks on paper for no specific reason other than to create because it feels like that's what they should do. I've always had a deadline or a design brief, and there's always been an end goal. So I wondered what would happen if I just went and painted in the outdoors, alone with my thoughts and with limited art supplies, just me and the landscape in front of me, and sometimes a dog who digs sand all over my work. And so here we are at Dornoch Beach, July 2025, at the first point of our road trip along the NC 500. I've been up in Scotland for a week already teaching a retreat, and Ant and Crumble have come up to join me. We're going to paint our way around the north coast of Scotland, and this is day one. So we've made it to Dornoch Beach, and we came here last night, having had a heat wave in Scotland last week, only to be met with the first absolute downpour. And we thought, oh my goodness, is this going to just scupper all plans? But actually, we've woken up to amazing, glorious sunshine, so thank you, Scotland. And we've also got our friend Crumble here to help. So I'm going to try and do some painting. New sketchbook for a new painting adventure. I'm using Etchalab Perfect Sketchbook. I really like this because it's proper watercolour paper, 300 GSM, and yeah, it lies flat as well once you give it a little bit of a flatten out. Crumble.
Never work with animals or children. No comment on that.
Crumble.
No.
I think this is going to be a nice challenge for me, like capturing landscapes, because it's not something I do an awful lot of. So I think that's what I'm going to be focusing on.
Capturing landscapes with a crumble.
Yeah, capturing them in two ways. Capturing sand in my palette. And I love these grasses. Good brush for grass, the rigger brush.
Go again.
Feel like I'm done, considering the challenges with that one, with our newest team member.
Dornoch Beach. Dornoch?
Dornoch. I feel it's like Dornoch.
Like lock, nook.
Ugh.
Door. Not door, it's 2-1. I don't know. Anyway.
The next stop on our trip is John O'Groats, which you can watch next Thursday on our YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed watching this, then please make sure you like and comment and subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any instalments of our Scottish painting adventure.